got our head pretty well ready here. Got the lip done. We'll give it in a nice little sanding here. So now we're going to drill out for our eyes. So we get everything else set. And I'm going to use a 5/8 inch bit here to drill these out. So we're going to work on these eyes here, because we've got to open this up some for the, because we marked where the eye goes in there, so we have to open that up. And then on the back, we have to take it down in the back. So now we'll take this back piece off. See, this is what you take off if you ever have to get inside. So what we have to do, we've got to take this out in here and over here, some of this out in here, so our eyeball will fit down inside there. We've got to go down about close to an inch on each side. And then on this back piece, we're going to take some of this out in here so our string won't catch on this when we get in there. So we're going to be working, and we'll go from the front to the back to the front. We'll keep going back and forth until we get this hollowed out where we need it hollowed out. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put in my comment section and I'll get back with you. Thanks for watching.